This is an Enguie This is an Enguie brand, 20-inch wheel, fat tire, electric folding bike. There's your folding portion for the frame. You can see it has fenders, it has a little suspension fork with a lockout, just like those Suntour forks that come on the rock hoppers. You can see that. Is it a back wheel hub motor? Yep, so back wheel hub motor. So inside this very large hub is where the motor is. You can see the tires are about 4.5 inches wide. Big old rack on the back so you can carry either your girlfriend or your boyfriend or tons of stuff, maybe a 30 pack. Here's your controls. So you've got your nice mirror so you can see. You've got your